Annathe movie summary in English. Let's begin. Kalia is a sarpanch, decision maker, in the village of Surakoti, Tanjavur district, who respects the principles of fairness. His ideals lead him to clash with a rival village leader Nattadurai, who controls people by scaring them. When Nattadurai tries to extort land from an old man, he hires lawyer Pattammal to defend his case. Kalia exposes the truth, and Pattammal betrays her client and withdraws the case. Pattammal and Kalia fall in love. Kalia's world revolves around his sister Thanga Meenachi, whom he raised after the deaths of their parents. Meenachi returns home, having completed her education. Kalia has difficulty finding a husband for his sister because everyone is afraid of him. Kalia's annoying cousins, sisters Angyarkani and Mangirakasi, both of whom wanted to marry Kalia but he had not agreed, propose their brothers marry Thanga Meenachi. Without her consent, Thanga Meenachi's marriage is arranged with Nattadurai's younger brother. Meenachi goes missing on the day of the wedding. Kalia dispatches a search party, who finds Meenachi trying to elope on a train with her boyfriend from college. Torn by his love for his sister, Kalia allows Meenachi to leave and deflects demands from relatives for an honor killing. Meenachi and her husband move to Kolkata, and she loses contact with Kalia. Kalia and Pattammal travel to Kolkata. Kalia discovers his sister has serious financial troubles. He secretly follows her and discovers that she has borrowed money from a gangster. When the gangster tries to assault Meenachi, Kalia secretly assaults him and moves Meenachi to Pattammal's apartment, where he can safely watch her. Thugs threaten Meenachi, and she falls ill. When Pattammal leaves the house to get her medicine, the thugs attack her. Kalia rescues Meenachi and interrogates her attackers. When Meenachi and her husband started a business in Kolkata, a wealthy businessman and underworld Don Manoj Parekar approached them. Manoj wanted to purchase half of their shares, but Meenachi's husband refused. Over the following weeks, Meenachi's factory caught fire. They were forced to close it, and her husband was arrested on invented charges and tortured in police custody. Meenachi had begged Manoj to get her husband released and signed over her company. Manoj had refused to get him released and had everyone who agreed to help her murdered. In the present, Meenachi is still trying to get her husband released with Pattammal's help and realizes that she is pregnant. Kalia is very happy to hear this. He and Pattammal organize a baby shower for her. After learning about Meenachi's misfortune, Kalia wants to kill the gangsters using his sister as bait and swears to destroy Manoj Parekar. Using the pseudonym Annathe, Kalia and his village friends storm Manoj's office and issue an ultimatum. After more drama, Annathe corners Manoj and forces him to sign papers saying he will return the companies he stole to their former owners. Kalia decides to spare Manoj's life. Enraged and humiliated, Manoj visits his estranged brother Uddhav Parekar, where he demands the death of Annathe and then kills himself. Uddhav finds Meenachi and takes men to attack her. Pattammal, instructed by Kalia, hides Meenachi. Uddhav's men chase Pattammal and Meenachi, who become separated by a crashing auto-rickshaw. Kalia arrives, assaults all of Uddhav's men, and kills Uddhav. Kalia reveals himself to Meenachi, who tearfully apologizes for the trouble she put him through.